Say hi.
Hi! I want to run across the highway.
Yeah. Wait till the traffic slows a little bit. I heard some guy whistle. I am not standing there. I am not standing there. No way in hell. Route 22? No. Hey, I think it's a good idea if you get seriously, get out of the street. I'm not gonna go. Do you know how many accidents there are here? Okay.
Are you still recording?
Oh yeah.